What if I told you that while most people are asleep, a luxury cruise transforms into a food lover's paradise? This incredible midnighter's a feast that looks almost too beautiful to eat.
Have you ever wondered what happens when the clock strikes midnight on a luxury cruise? While most of the world is asleep, these floating cities come alive with an extraordinary dining experience. As you step aboard, the massive ship glides silently across the moonlit ocean, its golden light shimmering on the calm water. Just beyond the grand entrance, warm light spills through elegant glass doors, inviting guests into a world of luxury that never seems to sleep. Inside, an enormous buffet hall unfolds before your eyes. Crystal chandeliers sparkle overhead, polished marble floors reflect the soft lighting, and endless buffet counters stretch across the room. Every corner is filled with beautifully arranged gourmet dishes, creating a scene that feels more like a five-star hotel than a ship at sea. The journey begins at the spectacular seafood station. Towering king crab legs, whole lobsters, freshly shucked oysters, jumbo shrimp, and smoked salmon rest on sparkling beds of ice. Every platter is carefully arranged with fresh herbs and bright lemon slices, making the display as impressive as the flavors themselves. Just a few steps away, the live carving station becomes the center of attention. Skilled chefs carefully slice tender, prime rib roasted turkey, glazed ham, and perfectly cooked lamb, serving each portion fresh from the carving board. The aroma of roasted meat fills the air as guests eagerly watch every slice prepared before them. Next comes a taste of Italy. Freshly baked pizzas, creamy pasta, rich lasagna, buttery garlic bread, and comforting risotto fill elegant serving dishes. Nearby, expert sushi chefs prepare colorful rolls, delicate nigiri, and fresh sashimi with remarkable precision. The buffet continues with flavors from around the world, offering Mexican favorites, fragrant Indian curries, Asian specialties, Mediterranean dishes, and Middle Eastern classics, all presented with exceptional attention to detail. The experience continues into a beautifully arranged bakery filled with warm croissants, buttery Danish pastries, artisan breads, cinnamon rolls, and freshly baked loaves. Every shelf is perfectly organized, filling the room with the comforting aroma of fresh bread. Nearby, another chef expertly carves juicy prime rib, while guests patiently wait for their freshly prepared plates. Across the buffet, an elegant cheese and charcuterie display showcases imported cheeses, cured meats, olives, grapes, crackers, and fresh figs arranged with artistic precision. The fresh fruit station brings a vibrant burst of color. Watermelon, pineapple, mango, kiwi, dragon fruit, strawberries, blueberries, grapes, and other seasonal fruits are carefully displayed like works of art, offering a refreshing contrast to the rich main courses. Coffee lovers gather around the premium coffee bar, where skilled baristas prepare smooth espresso, creamy cappuccinos, and beautifully crafted lattes. For those seeking an even more exclusive experience, the VIP dining lounge offers an atmosphere of refined luxury. Elegant seating, candlelit tables, and personalized service create the perfect setting for enjoying expertly plated signature dishes prepared with remarkable attention to detail. Back at the buffet, chefs continue preparing fresh pasta, premium sushi, seafood platters, and beautifully decorated desserts, ensuring every guest enjoys the same exceptional quality no matter what time they arrive. Every station remains fully stocked, with each dish presented as beautifully as the first. As the evening grows quieter, the buffet takes on an even more peaceful atmosphere. Only a handful of guests remain, enjoying late-night coffee, desserts, and one final walk through the impressive selection of gourmet cuisine. The soft glow of the chandeliers reflects across the polished marble floors, while the ocean remains calm beyond the panoramic windows. Stepping outside onto the open deck, the cool sea breeze and endless moonlit horizon provide the perfect ending to an unforgettable night. Behind you, the buffet still glows warmly through the ship's windows, a reminder that luxury never truly sleeps aboard a world-class cruise. As the magnificent ship sails silently into the darkness beneath a sky filled with countless stars, the memories of this extraordinary midnight buffet remain long after the final bite, capturing the elegance, comfort, and unforgettable experience of dining at sea.